Hello guys, welcome in Tech Jarvis. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install Magisk Manager in Android 11. Guys, I am using Android 11 based custom ROM in my Poco F1. Here, as you can see, my device is based on Android 11. So, I'm gonna install Magisk Manager in this device. Let me show you Magisk Manager is installed or not. As you can see here, Magisk is not appear here, and let me check my phone is rooted or not. So open root checker basic app, click on verify root. As you can see, sorry, root access is not properly installed on this device. It means my phone is not rooted. So after installing Magisk Manager, device will also be rooted. So how to root this? You need to download these two files. First is Magisk Manager version 21.0. Guys, make sure you install version 21.0. Do not install 20 or 19, otherwise your phone goes into boot loop. And here is the Magisk Manager version 8.0.0. So guys, to install Magisk Manager, TWRP recovery must be installed on your phone. If you don't know how to install TWRP recovery, then check the card here. So guys, power off your phone, and I'm gonna put my phone into the recovery mode, restarting to the recovery mode. So wait. Now my phone is boots up into TWRP recovery. Guys, make sure take a backup before perform any action. If your phone goes into boot loop, then restore the backup from here. So click on install and select the file. Here is the Magisk file. Select this Magisk 20.21.0 and click on swipe to confirm flash. Now zip is successfully installed. Guys, nothing to do here, just click on reboot to system and click on do not install and wait. Guys, first reboot may take time, so be patient. Now my phone is boots up successfully. So guys, wait for the few seconds. Magisk application will be appear here. As you can see, Magisk Manager is appear here. Open this. Magisk is up to date, which is latest 21.1, and it's asking to update for the APK. So click on update, click on install, and it's downloading. Wait. Now APK is downloaded. Install this APK. Open and wait. Now APK is up to date, so click on here and click on direct install recommended method and click on let's go. Latest version is downloading. Now it's automatically installing. Nothing to do here. Now my phone is booted successfully. As you can see, open Magisk Manager, and as you can see, latest version of Magisk 21.1 is installed and Magisk Manager 8.0.3 is also installed. Now let's check phone is rooted or not. Open root checker basic app and click on verify root. Grant the permissions. Congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device. So guys, by this way you can install Magisk Manager and root your Android 11. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.